What is this, Gabby?
Train.
Train. Okay. Look at this. What is the color of this?
Blue.
This one. What is this? What color is this?
Red.
Red. This one. Huh? What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. How about this?
Blue.
Blue. And this?
Green.
Green. And this?
Purple.
Purple. Very good. Now, what picture is this?
Red.
I mean, what is the picture?
Red.
This is the cloud.
Brown.
Cloud. And then what is this?
Sunny.
Sunny. And then what? How about this? What happened to this one?
It's windy.
Huh?
It's windy.
It's raining. Okay, now let's look at the number. Okay.
Choo
Choo choo. You like it? Okay. Gabby? Do you like choo choo train?
choo.
Okay, now. How old are you, Gabby?
One.
No, how old are you? How old is Gabby?
One.
No, you're not one. Gabby, how old are you?
Two.
Two. Where is number two?
Two.
Very good. Okay, can you count for me?
Coming.
Count for Daddy. Start with number 1, 2.
Two.
Okay, and then? What is this?
Three.
3. 4. Where's 4? 4. Where's number 4, Gabby? 4. Where's number 4? 4. 5.
Five. Okay.
Where's number 5? 6.
Six.
7.
Seven.
Press 7. 8. How about number 8? Number 8. Gabby, number 8. Where's number 8? The green color. 8. 9. 9. No, Gabby. Number 9 is the one with the red color. Where's the red color? Number 9. 9. Yes. But there's no number 10.
Nine.
Okay. Now, Gabby, look at this. What is this?
Sugar.
What is this?
Sugar.
No, this is a sun.
It's a sun.
Okay, what is this? Sheep.
Sheep.
Look at the sheep there. Okay, this is a Vtech push and write alphabet train. Okay. Can you open this? Can you open the book? Open.
Yeah.
Open. Open. Can you open this? Yeah. Okay. What is inside? Okay. What is this?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Very good. Dolphin. What is this? This one. This one.
Purple.
Yeah, purple color. But what is this? Huh?
Purple.
Yes, but what is that? It's an umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, Gabby. Now, show me the color red.
Red.
Where's red? Very good. Where is yellow?
Yellow.
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 Where's the color yellow?
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4,
0.
5,
Now you have to count like this. It's like 1,
6,
1, 2.
7.
Huh?
No, it's
What is that? What is this, Gabby? What is this?
yellow color tank.
This is yellow color.
It's a yellow wheel.
What is this? What do you call this?
A yellow wheel.
Wheel. Wheel.
Wheel.
Say wheel. Say Gabby. Gabby. Can you sing the song? The wheels on the bus?
Round, round, round.
Round and round.
Round, round, round.
The wheels on the bus? You want to play with that? Okay. Can you sit on the choo-choo train? Gabby, can you sit on the choo-choo train? Gabby,
Choo-choo.
can you sit on it? Stand up, sit on it. Yeah, very good. Okay, can you drive the train? Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo train, choo-choo train. Wait, already done? Okay, Gabby, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Gabby, say I love you.
Bye.
Can you give us a flying kiss? Gabby. Now kiss us. Kiss the train. Okay. Bye bye, Gabby. Bye bye. Bye bye.